Good morning, my friends. Good morning. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday and welcome to our daily Scrum. It's nice to have you here, whether you join this live with me any second if you're going to dial in, or indeed whether you watch this on the replay. It's good to have you here. All right. So, look, I missed yesterday. We did Monday. I missed yesterday. 8:30. This is really handy to have the 8:30 diarised slot, and I think there's a lesson in that in and of itself. As I said to you, you may have watched the previous one. I run a daily Scrum at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is my first daily Scrum on the projects and programs that I'm running currently. That is on a particular set of downstream system integrations. I'm not tech at all. I'm a PM that's not a tech PM. I'm a delivery guy. But I hold, there's 20 systems we're trying to get connected. So every day we've been doing it for 3 months. 3 months, every single day, the same spreadsheet with the same team of 8 people, 9 o'clock. I want an update on how we're getting on with the connection of those systems, right? Typically, the progress day by day is pretty poor. It's very slow. But in 4 weeks' time, they've all got to be connected and tested. So the rigor of the daily Scrum is going to get us there. At 9:30, so I run the first one for 15 minutes. At 9:30, I then run, this is my plan, this is going to happen this morning in half an hour's time. At 9:30, I'm then running a daily Scrum with the whole team. So everybody that's working on my program, I say program, this is now one project that's sort of the last project component of this program, is going to be on the call with me, 9:30. We're going to go through, boom, the priorities for the day. 15-minute meeting, no more than 15 minutes. And so many people would just sort of listen in, right? They might be more junior members of staff, not necessarily contributing, but they will have the opportunity to raise something if they want to. But I go rapid fire. I look at some charts of progress from yesterday. Boom, 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 fast. So that's that, right? And then at 9:45, I do a daily Scrum on the another sort of set of analyzer equipment that we're connecting. This is a healthcare program. And the status of that. And then at 10 o'clock, we do a daily Scrum on data migration. The idea being that in 4 weeks' time, this all starts to come together and we get to have a go live of our project. All right. I find that daily Scrums are the way to go. Now, I'm using the word daily Scrum. It's not truly a Scrum, right? It's basically a 15-minute meeting, but that term gets used a lot, so I latch onto that and use it. In previous roles, God, going back about 15 years, we used to call it the daily prayers. We all come into this meeting praying that this project would come together. Prayer is not necessarily the right form of strategy for delivering projects and programs. I'll tell you more about that program at another point in time, because I ended up in court on that one. And that was very interesting indeed. So, daily prayers, daily Scrum. The daily Scrum is important because it's a regular form of communication. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve, and to get myself being much more consistent with yourselves here in this group, because my entire career has been spent delivering projects and programs. So I started my first job in 1999, so 21 years, was it 99? Yeah, it was 1999, 21 years of delivering as a project manager, senior PM, done some PMO work, minimal, mainly been delivery, program manager, program director, delivery director, and now I run my own business, but I'm still delivering programs at the same time. I want to share that. I care passionately that you can get some real practical. This is why the title of Project Secrets: How to Run Real Projects. I care passionately that you get real project advice on how to do the job. There's so much going on with certifications, accreditations, PMP, APM, PMI, blah blah blah, Prince 2 in the UK, etc., etc. Where's the practical stuff? Where's the practical stuff to learn how? Because I think most people, I don't think, PMs that go on these courses tell me get caught up in all this process bullshit and end up in complete state of sort of bewilderment, confusion and disappointment that, quite frankly, the industry has not been able to deliver up some proper training. Deliver up proper training on how to deliver projects and programs. That's what I care about, right? Because I've spent 21 years doing it and working it out. And so I want to share that with you in this group. Tons of cool stuff coming. Loads and loads and loads. And the delay since me having sort of started this group earlier in the year is, number one, I work pretty much full-time running my own projects and programs. So I'm not an academic theorist or any of that. I'm a practitioner on the ground every single day. The weight of delivering projects and programs is on my shoulder with my clients. So that's the first delay. The second delay has been me working out my messaging and building my business. And so at propms.com, PROPMS, that's my core business. That's through that business I do my consulting to my clients. I've got 5 other project managers at the moment out and about working for me, delivering projects with clients. Actually, some of them are working in the COVID-19 space, delivering testing and setting up new testing laboratories, which is fascinating. Delighted to be supporting that. But getting the right sort of, we're delivering, I'm trying to build a business, and that means sort of marketing at the same time. So I've been trying to get clear on the messaging there. And I believe I've got that clarity, so I can come back to you here with a level of clarity to help take us forwards. All right. So that's what that's about. So that's my daily check-in for today. Daily Scrum, 8:30 every day. We'll see. And I hope you have a cracking day. Hopefully you have got some juicy stuff on your projects to go and tackle today. Be intentional about it and go after it. Go and absolutely smash it. We've all got challenging things going on with our projects. That's the job. And it's very exciting that we're in the job and got the opportunity to go and smash those things. All right. So have a great day. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.